This is Grow Hair Serum from VEGAMOUR. Yes, oh my goodness, and it is good stuff. I really like, now I know what you're gonna say your hair is plenty long and your hair is plenty thick. However, I am 54 years old, and from the age of about 45, my hair started thinning. It was way thicker, and it used to be all one length, but all of a sudden it just stopped growing and everything. And it was up to here, and I couldn't get it to grow, so it's grown quite a bit, actually. It's grown quite a bit. And it's finally growing again, which is the best part, and it's getting thicker. I would like it to get a little more thicker, so I've been using this, and I freaking love it. And you basically just, I like the serums that have this kind of a nozzle on it to put into your hair. Because I've had other ones, it's like a spray, and it just sprays your hair. You don't really ever get it right in there. Like, you're kind of separating your hair and trying to get the spray in there, but this you can get right into the spots. Like for me, it's this crown area that's kind of thinning, and then the spots right through here. So I can just get right in there and get to it. So, oh my goodness, this stuff is flippin' awesome. I love it, and I swear by it, so. VEGAMOUR.